Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how you can bulk edit your YouTube videos title and description using the option available on this plugin. So let's go to bulk, and here you can see find, replace or append. So what is the action that you want to do? That you have to select from the drop down. So first we have selected find text. So it will just find the text which I have given in this text box, and here you have a couple of options: case sensitive and include partial word matches. So case sensitive, if you check this one, it will go and find the exact search term which you have given here. Otherwise it will ignore the case and find whether the string is an uppercase or lowercase or a combination of both uppercase and lowercase, and include partial word matches. So whatever the string which I have given, it will split it into words and find that particular text. If you check this one, so search in, so where you want to enable this search, whether in title or in description or both title and description, that you can select using this checkbox. So here they have given example what you can find. So this is the text which is given on this find text, and it will highlight what are the find text which are given on this text box in the selected videos. So let's have a look at all the options that is comes under this action tab. This find and replace text, here they have given an example. It will find the text and replace it with this URL. Insert after text, so it will find the text and insert this text after this particular find text. So you have to give the find text here and append text here. Insert before text is just a vice versa of insert after text. Remove or delete text, so whatever the text which I've given here, it will be completely deleted. Here you can see that they have given the Spotify, so this URL is completely deleted. And here you have a couple of options. So if you want to remove the line break and blank line after the remove text, you can check this one. Otherwise it will have the line break even after removing this particular text which I've given this text box. Add text to the end of description, so if you want to add your Twitter or Facebook or Insta URL at the end of all the videos, then you can use this option. So whatever the text which you have given here, it will be appended to all the videos description. So insert text at the beginning of description, so whatever the words which you have given here, it will insert at the beginning of your selected YouTube videos description. Replace entire description, so it will completely remove a description and replace it with the new text which you have given on this text box. So this is all about bulk find, replace and append. So let me show you an example of how to do that. So let me close this one, and this is one of my sample video, and here I can have the text like here. So I just want to replace it with the spike or something else. So just note down the video ID. Let me note down the video ID of this particular video. So I'm going to do this find and replacement only on this video. So find, I just want to find this like here, and I want to replace it with word called spike. So here you can have a couple of options. Which videos would you like to search for the text? So you have a list of videos that I specify. If you select this option, you have to give the video ID of all the videos. All videos within one of my playlist, you have to give the playlist ID. Such a list of videos that match my search phrase below. So for example, if you have a videos, a list of videos, but it has some particular word at the end or at the beginning, you can use that word to make the changes. So if you enable this first option, I want to search full list of all of my videos, then it will get affected on all the videos on your YouTube channel. So as of now, I just want to make changes only on one video, that is this one. So I need to give the video ID. As soon as I paste this ID, it shows me that one video detected. Click on continue, select the video, click on continue, and yes, do it. Click on the start. So that's it, it has completed the process. So if you refresh this one, you can see the changes here. Change the word flag to spike. So this is how you should use this bulk find replace and append option on your YouTube dashboard. So that's it, I will catch you in the next video. Until then, bye.